Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a person from whom others like to ask for advice. You should say who this person is, why people like to ask his or her advice, what kind of advice he or she often gives, and explain how you feel about the person. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am an extrovert person and like taking opinions of different kinds of people, including men, women, and children. And today, I would like to talk about my neighbor, Mrs. Reddy, who is a 75 years old retired teacher, and a lot of people in the society take her advice. So, extrovert means outgoing or socially active person. She believes in the motto of simple living and high thinking and practices the same in her daily life. So, motto means belief or purpose. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, she has great knowledge about multiple fields including education, finance, as well as health and wellness, and therefore, people of different age groups approach her to seek her valuable feedback and advice. So, valuable means important, multiple means many. Mrs. Reddy often guides students about their future courses and career options, as well as provides input about financial matters including investments and stock selection to youth. Additionally, she emphasizes on the importance of staying fit as a fiddle, avoiding processed food, and indulging in healthy eating choices and habits, especially for children, and also advocates the practice of yoga and meditation for elderly people. So, emphasizes means focuses. We have also used an idiom here which is stay fit as a fiddle, which means to be healthy and fit. Indulging means engaging, and advocate means to recommend. Alright, so let's continue. Finally, I feel on cloud 9 every time I talk to her, as I find her ideas quite fascinating and unique, as well as she motivates me to reach beyond my potential. So we have used another idiom which is feel on cloud 9, which means to be very happy or joyous. She also acts as a source of inspiration for the society, encouraging people to think out of the box while at the same time unlocking their real strengths and talents effortlessly. So we have used another idiom which is out of the box, which means unique or exceptional. Effortlessly means easily. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.